watching Makeshift Garage.
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. Woo! You're watching Makeshift Garage. Damn, it's windy out here. Let me give you the nickel tour.
Oh, man.
So first of all, this is a jackass. It's got a 460 big block Ford in it.
Okay.
This one we just got it going now. This is got a 352 in it. We're probably gonna call it the Street Freak, but we gotta put some nitrous on it before it can hold up to that name. We got a whole pile of motors, 460 right there. We pulled out of a camper, but it's sticking in a Falcon. This is our 67 Camaro. This one needs a lot of metal work, but we got the quarters up there. We got a fender right here. So, and we're gonna put a 454 in it. Big block Chevy. So that's that. This is a 68 Torino GT. This is the noisemaker. This thing is fucking radical. It's got a work 302 in it. But the head's a shaved, so she's funky, man. She's doing good. We just hung up all these shelves. So all the shit for this car is up there. All the stuff for this car is up here. All the stuff for this car is up here. So it's kind of nice, you know. It's nice to have everything where it belongs. We got, like I said, that we were just getting to this pile of motors in the corner here because we got a 53 station wagon that we're gonna pick up, and that thing has a straight 6-cylinder flathead in it, and a tranny, and it works. It runs. It's awesome. We'll get it going with that for now, but we want to get a Hemi, 331 Hemi. We want to put that in it. So that'll be fun. It'll bolt right up to that train, we believe.
That's great.
But this is the one we take to the tracks right now, and this year we're taking that one to the track as well. That's a 460 big block Ford. Although they do sell headers that'll fit in here, but you got to put the headers on like in pieces. Somebody might have came out with another header, a better header, something that's close to the original manifolds. These manifolds are off like a 73 F250, I think, because they dump out the back. That's what I was looking for, something that dumped out the back. A lot of headers, one dumps out the back, the other one dumps straight down, and that sucks. That's no good for this. Fire in the hole! Let's see. Did I disconnect the thing already? No. She's got some ponies in it, you know, she's fun. Huh?
I'll have that thing side with you.
It's a good running car. She runs good.
You know what's loud when everyone starts backing up. You're like, I look back, everyone's like back up like this. I'm like, put my hands close to it.
But she's a lot of fun, man. She's a lot of fun. We've never really got great time with it because every time I got it down to the track, something went wrong, something happened. I mean, we're hoping now, the way it sits, believe it or not, I had to go with less carburetor. So I got to straighten out this mess. I got fucking hoses going everywhere. But once I straighten that mess out, we're going to take it down the track. We're going to run it down the track, get the best time we can get. Then we're going to put nitrous on it. Then we're going to go back to the track, run it down the track, get the best time we can. Then we're probably going to pull the motor out over the winter next winter and completely go crazy with it. We're going to do something really cool with it. I'm not sure what. Really, I think what we need to do is the next step after nitrous, the very next step is just buy another set of P51 heads. Rip these heads off. They're garbage. Put on a good set of P51 heads, and now it'll probably add like 150, 200 horsepower.
I'll have the 350 on that.
Yeah. I put the motor stand up there for you.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah, it's up there. So you just got to get the motor on there now.
Oh, yeah, no, I saw the stand up there. Yeah, no, me and my brother were gonna do it the other day. We're like, we had like
do you still have a motor jack up there? Or did I bring them both down?
Yeah, they're both down here.
Oh, well, we got to pull one back up there then.
Yeah, we'll get it. Yeah.
All right. There's the wife. She wants to know, where the hell are you? Dinner's ready. The wife said, where's the rice? So dinner's not ready. I know that much. To me, that Rolls-Royce needs a fucking a big block with a blower. Right through the fucking hood.
That's what I'm telling my dad. He's like, no, you gotta keep it classic.
And it will be fun until that freaking car needs to go to the shop and it costs $3,000 for a little visit. He'll be like, fucking rip the motor out, man. Let's get a big block.
$8 grand to get it running.
$8 grand!
$8 grand to get that thing running.
Oh my God, see, that's what I'm talking about. But it'd be $3,000 just for a visit.
Yeah.
That thing's a lot of money. But let's go check it out. So you bought it at a good price, and then you dumped a bunch of money in it to get it going.
I got dumped another like 9 into it for bodywork and paint.
You got a Rolls-Royce. What year is it? 1972 Rolls-Royce. Do we put a blower through the hood or what? Sounds good.
Yeah.
She's sweet, nice and quiet. quiet. I know it's clean as hell. I seen this for sale, and I thought to myself, I cannot afford this. It's all motor. She's all motor. Sounds good. Runs good. It's old school. Check it out. I was told these doors are perfectly balanced. These Rolls-Royce doors, back in the day, they cost like $100,000 each to balance and build, and you know, that's why the cars were so expensive. Everything was balanced out. The original Rolls-Royce had whale oil in it. You used to actually, there was a piece of glass that you would look in. You never changed the oil. You never filled the oil up. It had whale's oil in it, and you could see it in the glass. It would be running right there. And that's the original ones. You sweet? Perfect. Yeah. Look at that dash. Oh yeah, baby.
No problem at all.
That's what I'm talking about. Power everything. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, jeez. Look at that.
Hard.
That's nice. Oh man, somebody's going golfing, broskies. Woo!
Well, it comes with the car.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? I didn't even push it. There we go, huh?
Let's get the whole fleet out.
We're gonna have to race them.
You got launch control?
No, it'll probably beat us. I'm telling you, I gotta get down to the track and fine tune everything. I need heads. If I get heads, they ain't beating. There ain't no way. So put it out there. We need a set of P51s, man. Send them all away so we can really get the jackass down the track. I got a lot of work though coming up, man. I lined up like tons of jobs, and now finally tomorrow I can actually work outside because it'll be dry. Dying, chomping at the bit to get something done, man.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll definitely see you
Yeah,
later.
yeah.
Boom. We gotta go home and eat dinner. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. It's ready. Woo!
Oh, thank you.
All right, guys. All you guys line up right here in front of the Rolls-Royce and go, you're watching Makeshift Garage. Come on, let's do it. Come on, come on, come on. You gotta do it like this, though. You gotta do it like this. You gotta use the finger point. Right in front of the Rolls-Royce, like, and go like this. You're watching Makeshift Garage.
3, 2, 1.
You're watching Makeshift Garage.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. If you like what you see and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. Hit the little bell. It'll give you a warning when we put something up.